Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. So in my last video I got few requests to teach how to catch the fish. How to catch the fish? It's not about real fish. They're talking about a game in Sprite Lab. Okay, the name of the game is Catch the Fish. I will show you how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, children. Now we are going to start how to make catch the fish. So before going to start, first we need to go to Google Chrome and first we need to type Sprite Lab. Are you able to see the Sprite Lab first one, children? Yes, the first one. So open, click on the first web application. Yes. Children, make sure that if I am going fast, please pause the video and follow my steps. Got it? Yes, good. Now go to new project. Now click on Sprite Lab. Now you are able to see the screen like this, right? Up to here clear, right? Yes. Now we are going to give the code for the Sprite Lab. For what? For catch the fish. Don't forget that one. Okay. Now first thing. First go to blogs. Are you able to go to blogs? Yes. Now set the background under the vent run. Okay. Now after this, just click on this down arrow and change the background into the eighth one. This one. Okay, change, click on down arrow and change the background into eighth one. Got it? Next go to variables. Where we have to go to variables and the first one. Second one is there no show variable counter. Drag and drop show variable counter. Now click on this down arrow on the counter and rename all counters. Click on rename all counters. Now you have to delete this one and you have to type score. So for example, after renaming like this, so why we are keeping the score? For example, you're catching the fish, then you need how many you catches the fish, right? So that's why we are keeping this score. Okay. Next, I want to keep this score top. How I need to do that? It's easy. Click on the location pin. This is called location pin. Click on this and go to top and click here. Click here. When you will click on the left button, then only you can able to keep the score on the top. Up to here clear? Yes. Good. Or I will keep here. Now, now go to again variables. Now keep set score. So we need to keep the set score as 0. Then only it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The computer don't know anything. So we need to set the score. So drag and drop and keep it under the show variable. Don't forget it. Okay. So what we have to keep? Go to variables, set score, drag and drop it here. Okay. Next. The next step is go to math, drag and drop 0. What we have to drag and drop? 0. Because the score will start from 0, right? If you catch one fish, then it will go to 1. Just like that. Okay. Next. So up to here clear, right? Now you have to go to worlds. Where we have to go to the first block that is called worlds. Now we need to give a title screen. What is our title screen? Is catch the fish. So we need to write it first on the screen. Then only everyone can see that oh, this is catch the fish game. That's why we need to write. So show title screen and click on the here. Click on the first block. Now type here the spelling. I think you know the spelling, right? CATCH catch. Give a space with the space bar. Cheetah and FISH fish. Catch the fish. Okay. Next, up to here done. So we did a score and we did a title screen as well. So now we are going to make the sprites. Okay. So now go to sprites. Drag and drop the first one. No. I don't want this rabbit because rabbit can't catch fish, right? So I want to change it into crab. Okay, so click on the down arrow and change the rabbit into crab. Yes. Got it? We got crab also on the screen. Are you seeing this one? Next. Next, I want to set like how this crab will move with the help of arrow keys, right? Here we have our arrow keys, right? So we want to set some code for this. I am going to tell you that one. Okay. Go to go to behaviors and drag and drop the first one. That is sprite begins with. Yes. Drag and drop and keep it under vendor. Now we need to change the rabbit into what? We know crab. Change it into crab. Now again go to behaviors. Just scroll down slowly. Then you can see here moving with arrow keys. Are you able to see? Moving with arrow keys. Just drag and drop it and fix it here. So when we will start the code, then the crab will move with the help of what? Arrow keys. Got it? This is for grade 2 and 3. Okay, so no need to that much focus on the code. Just drag and drop the things, then you can able to understand which one represents which one. That's good. That's good enough. Okay. Yes. Now crab is there. Now we want to create a new sprite of what? Fish. Yes, you are right. Next, drag and drop new sprite and change the rabbit into fish. Sorry. Yes. Now, I want to change the location of the fish. Click on location pin and change. I want to keep it here. Okay, now I don't want that much big fish. I want some small fish because the crab is also small, right? So I just want to resize it. I want to just keep a size for fish. So again go to sprites and you can see set size, the second blue color code. Okay, just drag and drop it here and keep here fish. So the fish is going to change into 50 size. See, you can see the small one here. You can see the small one, right? Yes. Up to here, clear, I guess. Now, so our title is done, score is done. Crab is also very get ready to catch the fish. But when we catch the fish, what about the game? How the game will move? The important code is now. So now again go to behaviors, not behaviors, events. Now you need to go to events and the third one, when touches block is there, no? Yes. Drag and drop when touches block. So the crab, when the crab touches or catches the fish has to move into random locations. So again you need to go to behaviors, scroll, not behaviors, events, sorry, sprites. Go to sprites and you can also change the uh, fish into different locations. So jump into different location. Which one has to jump? Crab or fish? Crab, right? No, it's a fish. So when the crab touches the fish has to change into random locations. Okay, now what we have to do? So after we are catching one fish, so what it has, the score has to change, right? So again we need to go to variables and change counter. Drag and drop the change counter and just change the counter into score. Now everything was set, the code is set, and the screen is also ready. Now just run the code and let's see what will happen. Now I'm going to run the code. You can use these buttons or you can also use your laptop buttons as well. Okay, like I'm using my laptop buttons. Okay, go down and go right. See, I catched. Now I want to use these buttons. Go right, right, up, up. Next, go down, left. See, my score is also changing. So you can just play like this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this one. And that's all for today's session, children. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video so that it will reach to all the students, right? And comment below which one you want to learn next. Bye bye.